Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Root Beer here. We're going to be looking at the 2000 Pascal, question number 18. Alright. In the diagram, the 5 smaller rectangles are identical in size and shape. So they're going to have the same length, same width, same area, everything. The ratio of AB to BC is... Okay. We're given absolutely no numbers in this question. I mean, yes, there's 5 smaller rectangles, but ultimately we're not given any numbers. So that's why they're asking for a ratio. We can't actually figure out what AB is. But something we can do, because of the way these rectangles are laid out, we can maybe figure out the proportions of the side lengths of the smaller rectangles and then put them together to give us the proportions of the larger rectangle. So we'll get ourselves a new piece of paper, and away we go. A, B, C, D, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the orange. So I have no idea what any of these rectangles are, what their proportions are. I really don't. But if I were to stop and say, okay, I don't know what any of the proportions are, but to find a ratio, I have to find something. I have to find a way to express both sides in terms of something common. So let's pick the smaller side of the small rectangles, and we'll call it length x. So let's stop and let's label all the x's that we can find. Okay. And when I do that, I see that the length of the longer side of the rectangle becomes 3x. So now let's label all the 3x's we have. Hey, BC is 3x. And it turns out that we can find AB in terms of x. So AB is 3x plus x, which is 5x. And BC, well, that's pretty clearly 3x. We have that written down there. And so even though we can't find actual values for them, because we now have them both in terms of something, x, some common value, we can find the ratio of AB to BC. Or were we asked BC to AB? I cannot remember. AB to BC, and it's 3 to 5, so that's... 5 to 3. It's D. D, 5 to 3. All right. So that was actually a fairly quick question. Once we realized we're not going to be able to solve for some actual values, so we might as well just label something x and see what we can go. We'll see where we can go. So question 18, short and sweet. Hopefully question 19 will be just as quick and painless, but we'll see that in the next video.